Hello everyone, welcome back to Sanguine Paradise. Today I am going to talk about what is the secret of happiness. Let's start. So cleaning the mental window is the way of happiness. Just take an example of a young child. He is always laughing and giggling. He loves to explore new things. Consider the attitude of a child who is learning to walk. When he stumbles and falls down, what happens to him? What does he do? I will tell you. He smiles, gets up again and makes multiple attempts. He keeps going for weeks and weeks with positive attitude until he gets it right. Have you noticed what he doesn't do? He doesn't blame the carpet. He doesn't blame his mother or father for giving him lousy instructions. You know why? Because his window is clean and he feels like he can conquer the world. But as you know, there comes a point where life starts throwing dirt at our window. The problem is dirt. It keeps building up and we people don't even realize. We continue to go through life with a filthy window and get frustrated and depressed, all because we fail to clean our window. Well, we must have to clean our window by cleaning all the negative thoughts which exist in our mind since many years. A long time ago, my window was filled with criticism, negativity, rejections, disappointment, doubts, and many more. But then, by the grace of God, I learned that all I had to do was clean off my window. I had to improve my attitude so I could see the world clearly again. It's your job to keep your window clean. Nobody else can do it for you. You always have a choice. You can leave the filth on your window or clean your window. If you clean off your window and develop a positive attitude, your life will be brighter and you will be healthier and happier. And your dream will come alive again. Now it's time to clear your mental window because your attitude, it's your window to the world. So stay positive. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel.